Meaning of golden section.
Golden section.
Golden section.
Golden section.
Golden section. The golden section, also known as the golden ratio or divine proportion, is a mathematical concept that describes a ratio of approximately 1.618. This ratio has been found to be aesthetically pleasing and can be observed in various natural and human-made structures, including art, architecture, and music. The golden section has been studied extensively in mathematics, science, and philosophy, and it holds a special significance in many cultures. Its underlying principles are used in fields such as design, engineering, and photography to create balanced and visually appealing compositions.